Okay, what is HTML? Now, hypertext markup language, that's what it is. Don't be afraid of the meaning. It's basically a language for describing web documents like web pages. HTML files. Each web page has a HTML file with a plain text, but with a .html file extension instead of .txt, which is made up of HTML tags with content for the page. HTML tags. HTML are keywords like tag names with brackets around them. Each tag must have an opening and a closing. For example, as you see there, HTML, opening, and there's an ending, which is a forward slash with HTML. Okay, so HTML tags. Now, there's something called a Doctype. Doctype is a declaration defines the document type to be HTML. So they take doc, which is short for document, and type, which explains what type of document it is. There is a text between the opening tag and ending tag, which describes the HTML document. Then there's a head tag, provides the information about the document. The title tag provides the title for the document, and the body tag describes the visible page of the content. And the header tag describes a heading, and the P tag basically describes a paragraph. So you must remember all of these tags. There's much more. I decided to just give some examples of tags. Okay, now let's make our first web page. Are you ready? Okay, let's begin. Now, dealing with the simple code, just remember what we said before. There's a dot type, which describes what type of document it is, which is HTML type of document. And then you put HTML, and then we put head tag. Now, I like to align my code so that it's easier for people to understand. And there's also something called comments, but we'll get into that later. So as you can see, there's the title tag, and you can put anything in the title tag. I put web page, and as I said, there's an opening tag and an ending tag. As you can see, there's a forward slash, and then there's a title. Now there's an end tag for head, and there we go, there's a body. Now inside of the body there will be a header. You can put anything inside of the body. Header, which is the head of like the topic of your page. So the topic of my page will be my first web page. And remember, don't ever forget the ending tag. I also put a paragraph tag, which would be your content of your whole page, what your page would be about. So I just put a little word text here, which would be welcome to my first web page, or basically my first page. And make sure you close the body tag and close the HTML tag document. Always make sure you close it. Okay? Now, everything you see here, and to save it, hit File, Save As, and you can save it anywhere on your computer. You can save it inside of a new folder as you wish. I name my folder HTML, and then you can give your file any name you like. I name mine webpage, and make sure you put the extension file .html. Always save it like that, as that. So I will just highlight that for you. See, webpage.html. Right there. .html. That is very important if you want to see your work on a web browser. Now, as you can see, it's saved right there at the top. You will see it in the name, well, right there at the top of your editor, your web editor. And that's also another topic we can get into. You can use different editing tools to create your web pages. Now, you can run it on any web browser you like. I chose Google Chrome. As you can see, my first web page, which was the header, and welcome to my first page, which is the paragraph tag. It goes right there on the web browser. Okay, everything you see here, don't forget. If you like my video, just hit the thumbs up and please subscribe.